say it's about noon time, so good afternoon. This is Bill Rose with
Attention, a
your
new special weather
winter weather
statement has been
update.
issued.
Currently in Chester, it's clear skies, the sun's out, temperature's at 36, feels like 32. We got 6 mile an hour winds, and the humidity is at 54%. It's November 28th, and it's 12 o'clock. So, talking about tomorrow real quick, and before we do that, let's go ahead and get to the current radar here. And basically, you can see all this purple right here. We have winter storm warnings and advisories all the way from Idaho through Montana, um, the northeastern part of Wyoming, and the southeast part of North Dakota, South Dakota, going into southern Minnesota, Iowa, and we have winter storm warnings from southern Minnesota, pretty much all of Iowa, northwest part of Illinois to include Chicago, all the way down to just right above St. Louis. And in Indiana, we do have winter storm watches and Ohio winter weather advisories right now. And we do have lake effect snow warnings in New York, Pennsylvania, and I believe the Cleveland area of the Northeast Ohio. And in West Virginia, I believe probably in the mountain areas, winter weather advisory. So this is your current radar. Right now, we only have one storm chaser out there. He is in New York, I believe.
And there are times when they sponsor chases.
Looks like he's not snowing right now. So he is in the northwest part of, I believe, New York. Anyways, right now, this is this current band right here is what's going to be coming in. Let's take a look at pivotal weather. This is your low that's bringing in all this moisture in and the winter weather that we're going to be having in the St. Louis Metro East area. Really quick, let me go ahead and get to the possible snow amounts. Tomorrow, the low is going to be hovering around 32, 33, and the high is going to be 42. So we are going to have some rain and snow and maybe some sleet tomorrow. I've looked at several models of when this precipitation is going to start, and the European and the NAM 3 kilometer has it starting around 5 or 6 in the morning for the Chester area, all the way up to 8 or 9, followed by sleet. The HRRR has us getting precipitation starting around 7 and going to 10 or 11, and possible sleet mixed with that. As far as the possible total amounts, you can see right there where Chester's at. We may not have anything, maybe trace amounts to 1 inch. In northern Randolph County, probably trace amounts to 2 inches. And anywhere from like Nashville, Illinois, half inch to 3 inches. Half inch in St. Louis to 4 inches. 1 to 4 around Salem. 2 to 7 inches around Vandalia. 3 to 7 inches in Litchfield. 1 to 6 inches in Jerseyville. Bowling Green, Missouri, looks like 1 to 6 inches. Pittsfield, 2 to 7. If you get further up, you will get to 7 to 14 inches up and around Havana. Champaign, 7 to 12 inches. So basically, we may have just a little bit trace amounts, maybe on the grass. I just don't see anything sticking to any hard surfaces. I just don't think the temperatures are cold enough. Not to say that we won't have some, maybe on your vehicles. So if you're getting up in the morning around 7 or 8, 9, and you got to go somewhere, get your snow scraper and brush out. because it may be on your windshield. Other than that, I don't see a whole lot for Chester, unless something else happens later
A new
on
special weather statement has been issued.
today, then I'll check. But this snow amounts are as of November 28th today at 10:17 a.m. by the National Weather Service. So anything's possible, and we'll check in a little bit later, maybe later this evening, to see if anything changes. You guys have a good rest of your day.